Humanity's greatest achievements were created using an ancient lost concept. We take you to see exotic, lesser known but beautiful places in the world, virtually to discover their food and culture, explore the streets and create your own new original photographs using this concept. Like learning to ride a bike, once you have this concept, you'll have it forever to see the world in a whole new way and create beautiful images. Science has proven this activity can improve memory, reduce stress, and provide a whole host of brain benefits. This concept shows connection between your DNA and the Milky Way. We'll show you how humanity's great artistic achievements were made using this concept. And you'll come away from the experience with your own digital images you can print for pennies, with your name on it, the location in which the image was taken, and the great art museum that facilitated your experience. And show off your skills on Facebook and Instagram with a social media friendly copy of the incredibly beautiful photo you'll take in a far off beautiful place.